Today, I'm going to teach you a very powerful concept, and it is something that I have personally used in my life and it has helped me so much. It is the power of visualization. Now, it may seem very simple. It can, it is just that, we are not taught about this, we're not told about this, but today I'm going to tell you, and you should listen to me carefully. So let's say that you have a big event coming up and it is something where you need to perform. Let's say you are a musician and you need to perform at that event. One day before that, or a few weeks before that, some days before that, close your eyes and start imagining yourself in that situation as if you're already on stage. Close your eyes and think of it that you're performing and you are doing your very best out there and you are playing your number one hit song out there, and the audience is clapping for you and they are excited and they are happy and they're cheering for you. Think of yourself getting an award. How does that feel? Bring that feeling and that emotion into your heart. Imagine yourself as if that act of whatever is happening is playing out there. It's like it's playing there in your mind. And visualize, close your eyes and imagine the pictures coming like that, the frame playing out in your eyes. So I had done this, like I've done this a lot of times, and especially when I went to talk to the students at St. Xavier's College last year. So weeks before that, when I was very nervous because it was a big opportunity and it was my alma mater, and I was so scared because obviously talking on stage and doing it after such a long time, it takes guts. But what I did was I trained myself and I prepared myself to talk confidently on stage by the sheer power of visualizing how the situation will be on stage. I imagined what outfit I was wearing, and I wore the same exact outfit. I imagined my body language, I imagined my slides, I imagined myself, moving my hands across the stage and talking to the students. I imagined faces in the audience. I imagined my professor, Sarkil ma'am. I imagined everybody in front of me as if it was already playing up before that. And the way I'm delivering it, the entire 1 hour presentation, I imagined it in my mind, closed eyes, and I imagined that. And you won't believe me. Trust me. And that is exactly what happened on stage. What was playing in my mind a few weeks before, it was the exact thing that happened on stage. So this is something that I encourage you to try out, because a lot of elite sportsmen, people who are sports players, people who are chess players, people who are performing, they do that just before their original main day show. They try and imagine and visualize that episode that is going to pan out after a few weeks beforehand. So that kind of gives you a mental preparation and it prepares your brain. It's actually training your brain for success, because if you train your brain for success, success is bound to happen. If you train your brain that this is how this is how it's playing out, and you have to also not forget this, that you have to feel those same emotions that you want to feel there. So let's say you want to feel joy now, so that later when you are on stage, you don't let anxiety pull you down, because anxiety and fear will take the place of joy and they are ready to jump in. But if you've already kept that excitement and that feeling of pride and that feeling of happiness and joy, that dopamine from beforehand, like you've already imagined it, you are going to do that over there on stage. A lot of sportsmen, they imagine themselves, let's say the best basketball player in the world imagines himself shooting, giving that hit out there. Cricketers imagine themselves playing on field. The field is in their mind first before the field actually pans out there on the field itself. It's happening there in the mind, and it's a very powerful tool that you can use. And it's not, a lot of people don't talk about it, but I feel that I should be sharing this with you because it's going to help you. So give it a try and let me know if you have visualized something and how did it work out and how were the people cheering for you. Let me know that.